This video is entitled Why Jamaicans Run So Fast. Number 1, we eat a lot of yellow yam. Number 2, when we on our marks, we always the 1 inch in front of the other athletes them. Number 3, we pray so the other athlete them foot hurt them, or them pull a muscle, or them drop the button. Number 4, we eat a lot of jerk chicken and breadfruit. Yeah. Number 5, we walk to school, so we fit. So by the time Olympic time come, yeah, just like a walk through the park for us. Number 6, we train on Blue Mountain, Jankra Mountain, Santa Cruz Mountain, all them mountain. Yeah, so we must fast. Number 7, if you lose, you can't go yard, simple as that. Number 8, the entire, when we say the entire church got on fasting on the Olympics time. And then the mother that we have with the head wrap up with the pencil in it. Yeah. You know so God have the answer with prayer. Number 9. We drink a lot of baba roots, chini roots, coconut water, ice glass, and Irish moss. So when I must strong. And the number 10 reason why Jamaicans are so fast is them they beating the way you have to get from your mother. Your mother come with the guava stick, the maca stick, all the wet hose and them thing there, so they must fast. Alright? So that's the top 10. Those are the top 10 reasons why Jamaicans run so fast. Team Jamaica all the way. London 2012. Alright?